Abha Kumari, a research scholar in Department of Mathematics, NIT Jamshedpur, would like to thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to represent our session chair of this event. Dr. Raj Nandikulier and Dr. Rajat Tripathi are our chairpersons for this session. Dr. Raj Nandikulier is working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mathematics, NIT Jamshedpur. Dr. Nandikulier has worked as a postdoctoral research fellow in the School of Mathematics, Statistics and Computer Science at University of Zulu-Natal, South Africa. Sir has obtained his MPhil and PhD degree in Applied Mathematics from Indian Institute of Technology, Dhanbad. Sir has published a number of research papers in reputed SCI-listed journals. His research interests include fluid dynamics. He is also reviewer of several reputed international journals. Dr. Rajat Tripathi is working as an assistant professor in Department of Mathematics, NIT Jamshedpur. Dr. Tripathi did his PhD from IIT ISM Dhanbad and MSc in Mathematics and Soft Computing from MNNIT Allahabad. His research area is fluid dynamics. He has published several research papers in reputed international journals. He is also a reviewer of several reputed journals. Now I hand over the session to Dr. Raj Nandikulier and Dr. Rajat Tripathi. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Abha. Thank you, Abha. So let us begin with the presentations for this session. For the first presentation, we have Ankit Kumar Nain from National Institute of Technology, Hamirpur.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Ankit, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ankit, you can start your presentation.
Okay, sir.
Share your screen. And I would like to mention here that we have in total 15 minutes for each presentation. So out of 15 minutes, 12 minutes for the presentation and 3 minutes for the questioning session. So all the presenters are requested to complete their presentation within 12 minutes.
Hello, should I start, sir?
Yeah, you can start.
Good morning to one and all present at this e-platform of RPAA CONIAPS 27 organized by NIT Jamshedpur. Myself, Ankit Kumar Nain, currently working as a research scholar in Department of Mathematics and Scientific Computing, National Institute of Technology, Hamirpur. This is the outline of my presentation. It is followed by introduction, then problem formulation, following by preliminaries and auxiliary results, then some assumptions, then existence and uniqueness results, followed by conclusion. The first is introduction. Although most engineers were undoubtedly aware that the hereditary effects can exist in physical systems, and this effect was overlooked due to lack of theoretical analysis to address such model in depth. It was in 1941 when Minkowski looked into these type of equations. He was confronted with these models when studying the motion of a ship with a movable ballast. To understand the applicability of delay models, an illustration of simple delay model of growth in cell population is given by the fractional delay differential equation given by equation number 1. Also, Caputo-Hadamard fractional derivative is considered more suitable for ultra-slow processes due to the logarithmic term appear in its kernel. The problem formulation. The work in this paper focuses on the abstract differential equation involving Caputo-Hadamard fractional derivative. The delay term is also taken in account along with 3-point boundary conditions. The existence and uniqueness of solutions for fraction boundary value problem have been investigated with the help of Schaeffer's fixed point theorem and Banach contraction principle. In our work, we studied the fractional boundary value problem given by the system number 2, where the values of different parameters are given as follows. Where CHD1I symbolize the Caputo-Hadamard fraction derivative of order I, and capital and description of capital phi and small phi are given as follows. Now we present some preliminaries and auxiliary results. The first is the Hadamard fractional integral. The Hadamard fractional integral of a function g for the order rho is given by equation number 2. And the Caputo-Hadamard fractional derivative for a function g of order rho is given by equation number 4. Now we present a lemma which helps in finding the integral solution for the linear form of the system number 2. Let y be an absolutely continuous function with weighted space delta, then the solution of the fractional differential equation of R order Caputo fractional derivative of function yt is given by equation first, and in addition the second result also holds. Using lemma 1, we present the solution in integral form for the system 5, which is given by equation number 6. In the system 5, we have excluded the delay term for simplicity. Before proceeding to main results, we consider the following spaces in which the analysis has been done. By CGR, we denote the space of all continuous functions running from J to real number R, and CR and X are defined as follows. Now, following the lemma 2, construct an operator A from Banach space X to X given by equation number 7. And we can see that the fixed point of the operator A are solution of the system 2. Therefore, we will study the fixed point problem presented by equation number 7. Now we make some assumptions. In the sequel, we need the following assumption. The first is the nonlinear function capital phi is a continuous function. The second assumption is related with the growth condition of the nonlinear function phi. And the third condition, H3, is the Lipschitz condition for the nonlinear function capital phi. Now we present the existence and uniqueness results for our problem. Now the first result is concerned with the sufficient condition for the existence of solution for the system 2, which is based on the Schaeffer's fixed point theorem, in which in this theorem or in this result we will explore the compactness properties of the operator A. Under the assumptions H1 and H2, the fraction boundary value problem 2 has at least one solution. In order to prove this result, we follow the following methodology. First, we prove that the operator A is continuous. Then we prove that the A is uniformly bounded, following by the A maps bounded sets of X into equicontinuous sets of X. And from concluding above 3 steps, we can follow that A is completely continuous. And in the last step, we show that the set U is bounded. Thus, concluding from the above 4 steps, we can see that the operator A has at least one fixed point, which is the solution of our problem 2. Now the second result is concerned with the existence and uniqueness of solution, which is based on Banach contraction principle. This result is basically based on the contraction property of an operator. Theorem 2. Assume that the hypothesis H3 holds along with the constant PB, which is strictly less than 1. Then the fraction boundary value problem 2 has a unique solution. Due to time constraint, I have omitted the proof of this particular result. Now there's a remark. If we take the value of a constant eta is equal to t in our problem, then our problem will be reduced to a 2-point fraction boundary value problem with a parameter lambda. Thus, the 2-point fraction boundary value problems with the sequential fractional derivative will become a special case of our problems. In addition, our paper generalized the standard domain 1, e, which was considered frequently in the literature to 1, t, where t is any number, real number greater than 1. Now we come to the conclusion. In our work, we have studied the fractional delay boundary value problem along with 3-point boundary conditions. And by imposing growth conditions and Lipschitz conditions on the non-linear function phi, capital Phi, we investigated the sufficient conditions for the existence and uniqueness of solution using Schaeffer's fixed point theorem and Banach contraction principle. Thank you. Here is some bibliography for the literature relating to boundary value problems in delay terms.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
I have one question for you. So
Yes, sir.
you have worked on fractional different boundary value problem, right?
Yes, sir.
So how do you know that this fractional derivative actually models the thing that you wish to model?
Actually, in the previous literatures, there are several models which deals with the sequential fractional derivatives. As we know that the fractional derivative do not commute with each other, and they models the biological problems using Caputo derivative and Riemann-Leibel derivative. Thus, following the
That is my question. Do you have any example where you can see that we have this physical problem and using fractional derivatives, we can model it? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. We are currently looking for the same, and the example for the application related is undergoing for the same.
No.
As we have formulated the abstract problem, now we are formulating some model to generalize our result to a specific application applicable model.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have used the concept of that you have used that set A is bounded and it is uniform. A is continuous and it is uniformly bounded.
Yes, sir.
What does uniformly bounded mean here?
That's sir. If we take any random set of a Banach space, any bounded set, the imaging set of the operator A will also be a bounded.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we say that this set, the function that you are taking, it is also uniformly continuous?
Uniformly continuous needs different parameters as we are talking about different species.
So continuity and uniform continuity are not the same things, right?
No, sir. No. Yes, sir.
Can you mention one situation where both these continuity and uniform continuity mean the same thing?
In some normal examples for real analysis like this.
I'm asking if there is any situation where the continuity means uniform continuity or uniform continuity means continuity. Both are the same thing.
Currently, I am not aware of that, but I'll look into the same fundamentals, sir.
Okay, Ankit. Nice presentation.
Thank you, sir.
Raj sir?
Yes, Rajat. Ankit,
Yes, sir.
what is the finite delay that you are talking about in this study?
Sir, finite delay deals with the finite interval which we have taken for the delay function. As we can see that. There are two types of delay which have been presented in the theory of delay differential equations. Like if we look at the system number 2, in the last equation where yt we have taken the function yt is equal to phi t, where the interval of the phi t is running from 1 minus r to 1. Here we have taken the finite interval for our delay representation.
And you have studied the existence and uniqueness results for the
For
fractional
this
boundary
system.
value, for the
Yes,
boundary
sir.
value problem.
Yes, sir.
So what kind of results we can have for an initial value problem, fractional order initial value problem?
We can have the same for the Cauchy initial value problems. For existence uniqueness, we can also investigate the stability of these things, like Ulam-Hire stability or Ulam-Hire stability. But due to some constraint, there is a limitation that we can. There is less study on fractional boundary value problems in term of these things. In term of delay terms, we can investigate also some positive solutions using operator theory.
No, have you already studied the existence and uniqueness of initial value problem?
No, sir. Following the most of the research in Caputo-Hadamard fractional derivative, initial value problem have been investigated by many authors.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. But there is less work done in terms of the boundary value problem.
So in case your beta is a positive integer, in that case, this results are also applicable for boundary value problems
Yes,
with
sir.
integer order, positive integer order.
Yes, sir. Yes. If we take alpha and beta equals to 1 or 2, then it will shift. Then this model or this system will shift to classical integer order derivative
Okay, Ankit, thank you for your
with a
presentation.
weighted space. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Okay. Should I stop my sharing screen, sir?
You can unshare your screen.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Our next presenter is Zahid Amin Malik from MB Government PG College, Haldwani, Kumaon University. And he will speak on applications of goal programming in real life problems. Zahid, are you there? Zahid? Ankit, you are requested to please mute yourself.
Okay, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Zahid? It seems Zahid is not
there. Yes, sir.
he is not online.
Yes, sir.
So we move to the next presenter, which is Atul Kumar from Dayal Bagh Educational Institute, Agra. And he is presenting on the topic a numerical scheme for fractional differential equations. Atul?
Atul, are you here? Atul is also not here, sir.
And then we can move to the next presenter, Renu Saini. Renu Saini, are you here? Are you online?
I cannot see. I can see that she is not here as well.
So whoever is present, we can move to that presenter, Vaishnavi.
Vaishnavi, are you here? Okay, next, Navina,
Yes, sir.
you're here. Okay, so let's go on with the presentation of Navina P. Her topic of the presentation is Smart AI Robot Service. Okay, Navina?
Okay, sir. I'll start presenting, sir.
Okay, share your screen and start presenting.
Excellent morning to one and all present here. I'm Navina and my friends from the Department of Computer Science and Business System, studying at Banariaman Institute of Technology, here to present a paper on the topic of Smart AI Robotic Service in Pandemic. Pandemic has turned the world into topsy-turvy and affected all sectors of economy. In this conference, we are going to present how robots help to sort out various problems in pandemic. So in this pandemic, all sectors of people are affected a lot. So in this presentation, we are going to provide solution and how to lead a productive and healthy life with advanced technology. So, rise of robots in the post-pandemic world. COVID-19 pandemic brought the world to crisis and a new normal where the world is still trying to embrace the old normal that we left behind almost a year ago. The new normal is embracing digital transformation, which is both disruptive and transformative and has defined new norms of living and we highly networked, interactive, and collaborative to compartmentalized, isolated, and decentralized social architecture. Better approach would be to create transition in future with web of human machine robot interfaces. However, this transition presents an opportunity in disguise of a deeper challenge on the socialism of robot human interaction, which would require qualitative aspects of humanism, ethics, and values embedded in these interfaces. This will be possible through supervised and human assisted and network robotics to control the activities. This has led to new normal to the look at life of its priorities. And also, to quote Dr. Sam Pitroda during COVID 19, he suggested that only two things matter, that is, people and planet. A new post pandemic paradigm for robotics. Pre pandemic is applications in highly developed countries with declining populations such as Japan. The purpose of robotics is to reduce costs and replace expensive human workers. The post pandemic, it is, can we use robotics to protect human workers even if it is i- increasing cost? So after the pandemic, people started realizing that money is not more important than the life of humans. So they started to spend more on robotics to create new jobs and opportunities for entrepreneurship, not only for those who lost employment in the pandemic, but others as well. A holistic post-COVID perspective. In the COVID-19 crisis hit society was in a reactive mode and adopted an emergency short-term perspective and blindly adopted the first available digital alternatives such as e-commerce like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal to continue all activities. In the past COVID world, society must adopt a more long-term and more holistic thought process. Can we use human robot collaboration to overcome depression and isolation caused by quarantine and social distancing and promote more holistic forms of past pandemic human interaction?
Types of Types of robots. Three types of robots. Industrial robots, manufacturing, assembly, sanitation. Service professional robots, retail, healthcare, e-commerce, waste management, shopping. Software robots, finance, human resource, contactless transfers. Three models of control, fully autonomous, controlled by some form of artificial intelligence, human controlled, controlled remotely by a human robot collaboration, hybrid of AI and remote human supervision. Obvious but essential post pandemic applications of robots. How can we use robots and human robot collaboration to create a robust maintenance network for essential human activity by including the following: an uninterrupted supply chain, food security, energy security, environment management, disaster and hazard management, healthcare, including assembly of personal protective equipment, UV disinfectants, and other healthcare equipment, security and surveillance infrastructure, and civic participation and preservation of an uninterrupted democratic process. A hybrid of AI and human remote supervision. White collar workers, IT workers, consultants, and others now work from home around the world. Can we use robotics to allow truck drivers, factory workers, and even essential services to work from home? Yes, we can. Can we use a hybrid of traditional artificial intelligence with remote human supervision to control robots? Will this allow us to deploy robots immediately rather than wait for advance in AI?
Presenter, you are requested to concentrate on the presentation. Okay, and just try to present us what you have actually done in your work.
Breaking barriers of creativity through human robot collaboration. Robotic possesses strength, precision, and speed. Human possesses ingenuity, judgment, and dexterity. How can we develop technology to facilitate human robot collaboration to effectively combine both robotic and human qualities, thereby breaking through existing barriers of human creativity? robots for performing arts and visual arts. Post COVID-19 scenario on robotics. Healthcare with integrated medicine practice, believing in role of technology, ultra transcendental meditation and human values. During pandemic, it became clear that minimalism and environmental issues and regeneration of wildlife were possible. Such practices should continue without overdoing automation. New definition of robotics should include autonomous system with values and ethics and belief in human supervised mode of network-based operations. Community living with cobots for improving living standards and condition in cooperative and collaborative mode. Conclusion: with increased capabilities and sophistication of AI systems that will be used in more diverse ranges of sectors including finance, energy, manufacturing, education, transport, and public services. The next stage of AI in the era of augmented intelligence seamlessly linking human and machine together. It is one of the best solutions for current pandemic situation. Thank you, sir.
Ravina, you haven't done any work on it. You have just taken some points from a detailed article on the internet and tried to present it in this conference. You have just that. You have
Yes,
just
sir.
done that.
Yes, sir. It's just a
Not
review project, sir.
not an article to be. It is not an article worth presenting in a national or international conference. And it
It's
is a
not.
very bad thing that you were laughing while you were presenting. You were not fully concentrated in your presentation.
And I have also observed one thing that the presenters have changed. So maybe two of you have presented it jointly. Have you taken the permission from the organizers?
We heard two voices, two
Is it?
different voices.
She's co-author of mine, sir.
Yeah,
So
that is fine. But you
you
should
start
have.
you started to switch the presenter during the presentation. This is not a good practice.
We won't repeat next time, sir. Sorry, sir.
Next time you won't get a chance if you do it like this. Okay, you
Okay.
are now.
Okay, you are done. Okay, you can unshare. You have already unshared. Thank you. Thank you for your presentation.
Thank you, sir.
रईस अहमद, आप हैं यहाँ पे?
Rais Ahmed.
Okay,
Rajat.
हाँ sir.
Yeah, shall we repeat the names once again?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Zahid Amin Malik, Atul Kumar, Renu Saini, Vaishnavi, Rais Ahmed. I think no one is here now.
Yes
I
sir.
reckon it's then it. I think we should close the session.
Let's wait sir 5 minutes, maybe they will join in, and let's wait
Okay.
for 5 minutes and then we'll end it.
Okay. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ankit.
Sir, is there a performer for the attendance for this session?
Your attendance is recorded.
No, sir. Sorry, sir. We are sharing the link.
Okay,
Okay,
you are
ma'am.
sharing.
Please wait. Please wait. नहीं, link नहीं। आजकल
सलाउद्दीन सर, खान सर।
जी सर, बोलिए, क्या हाल है?
अरे भाई, आप चुपके हमारे प्रेजेंटेशन में हैं और हमें पता नहीं चल रहा।
अब आपको पता होना चाहिए था सर, हम तो इसीलिए आपके ही सेशन में आए इसीलिए।
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मुझे लगा शायद आपके
जी।
स्टूडेंट का प्रेजेंटेशन होगा। और कैसे हैं?
अरे नहीं, हमारा प्रेजेंटेशन था, वो हो गया कल। ठीक हूँ सर। तो हमने आपका नाम देखा, हमने
अच्छा।
कहा सर आपके सेशन को ही ज्वाइन करेंगे हम। कैसे हैं सर? ठीक है आप?
थैंक यू सर। बस बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है।
जी, प्रेजेंटेशन खैर
प्रेजेंटेशन
प्रेजेंटर।
हाँ
जी
हाँ,
क्या कह रहे हैं सर?
बात करता हूँ, मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ।
प्रेजेंटेशन हमारा था सर। हाँ जी, प्रेजेंटेशन था, लेकिन ये रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है सर, आई थिंक मुझे लग रहा है इस
हाँ,
पे
यस
बात
यस।
नहीं करनी
सो
चाहिए।
सो मैं तो आपसे बाद में बात करता हूँ, है ना? ठीक है।
ओके।
Hello everyone, I have shared the link for attendance cum feedback link.
Yes, link for the attendance is shared on the chat box. Please check the chat box and fill up the form.
Raj sir, I think we have waited enough, and now we should end the session.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Thank you, Abha. Thank you, Raj.
we can now close the session. Abha, is over to you now.
Sir, actually organizers have told us to wait for 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes, but nobody is here. Okay, we can wait for another 5 minutes.
Okay, sir. Hello? Hello, Raj sir?
हाँ भा, हाँ बोलो Abha.
No, sir, you are not audible. Sir, you are not audible.
Abha? Abha?
Hello?
Hello, हाँ भा.
Yes, sir, we can end the session. Thank
Okay,
you for
okay,
your
let's
support.
end it. Okay. जी sir. जी.
हेलो सर, वेट करना है सर।
नहीं विकास, एंड करते हैं, 5-10 मिनट तक तो वेट कर लिया ना आप लोग, कोई आया नहीं अभी तक, आधे घंटे हो गए सेशन चालू हुए, एंड कर सकते हैं।
ठीक है सर।
हम लोगों ने एक रूल पहले से ही बना रखा है। वी हैव ऑलरेडी मेड ए रूल दैट द प्रेजेंटर शुड बी प्रेजेंट from starting to end in the entire session, then only their presence will be considered as valid. So if they are not present, then we can end the session, but we also have a choice to wait for them.
No, I guess we have already waited for 10 minutes.
So we can end
and
the session.
And there is no point that we will have to wait for everyone.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. So we are
it's
completely
better.
free to end the session.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir, for all your support. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you, organizers, for giving us this opportunity, and the student volunteers Vikas and Abha for telling nice words for our introduction in the beginning.
Thank you, chairs, for joining us, for giving
Thank
their
you, sir.
valuable time to us.
Thank you.
And thank you, Abha and Vikas, for working for this.
Welcome, sir.
Okay.
Welcome.